Good afternoon to all my dear friends. Myself Aditya Raj sitting at Aradhya Spoken English Academy with the permission of our teacher Mr. Mukesh Goswami. I and my team is gonna do a small debate on is science boon or curse. For starters who don't know that what is science, for them I would like to tell it in a brief. The science is nothing but just it is a block of our life. The phone in which you are seeing this video currently is just made by the help of science. The TV you are watching or you were watching or you will watch in the future, that are also made by the science. The fan which is turned on or off, that is also made by the science. So I and my team is just going to do a small debate, is science boon or curse. So there are two groups. One group will tell that why science is boon, and other group will tell that why science is curse. So first of all, I would like to introduce Mr. Suraj Raj. So Mr. Suraj, according to you, why science is boon?
Thank you, Aditya Raj, for giving me chance to say why science is boon. According to me, science is boon because it gives us entertainment and do our hard works more easier and more faster.
Yeah, I agree that science help us to entertain, but the hard work which science is doing in our place, that are also taken up by the science. The robots that are made by science are continuously taking the employment of the peoples who are working in the factory. The main job branch are just the factories. Whenever factory is made, thousands of people get employment. If the owners will start removing peoples and will add machines made by the science, then people will continuously become unemployed. The unemployment rate will, except of reducing, it will increase in India.
Yeah, you are saying right, but the humans are only doing small and easy work, but robots are only doing hard works that human take more time and more, that is more hard. So robots are made to do more hard works and more easy and more do the hard works more fast. And robots are only doing in factories. You have only seen in factories, not in the every time, everywhere, in hotel, in anywhere. There is no all time robot of finding. But in only factories, there is robot are doing hard work. Why? Because a factory contains too much hard work, and it also take too much time if human will do. So robot are doing.
The things that are being done by robot first is were done by the humans. The humans were doing the work, and just because they was doing slow, the more and more people were added in the factory. This increased the employment rate for them. Because of adding the AI, they are just snatching the employment of the humans. What about the poor peoples who get food every day, who earn every day and buy food every day? The AI are continuously taking the area. And in the hotels also, in the hotels and school also, now you will go in the southern India, you will find everywhere the AI is used. Nowhere then you will find humans. Only the creator is there who is controlling everyone. And it is known very soon that in whole the world also, the AI will come very soon. So guys, you according to Mr. Suraj Raj, you know that why science is boon. This was the group that which will say that why science is boon. So let me introduce to the other group which will say that why science is curse. For them, let's introduce Miss Anjali Singh.
Thank you, Aditya, to giving me that opportunity that I talk about science as a curse. In my point of view, science is curse because everything have a two phases. Like and science in the same way, science have a two faces, like boon or curse. And science creating more problem than it solve. Like our world is living in a shadow of sudden death, because our earth is becoming very dangerous place. It's explode any time in any second just because of science. It's all creating by science. So in my point of view, science is curse more than boon.
You see, you are right. But I would like to tell about science technology. Do you know it is helping us to coordinate our imagination with reality? We are moving towards an era where we do not need to move our physical strength, and it is saving our time. I can give you example also, like TV. We can watch TV with the help of, we can watch TV and we can see everything in just a few minutes. And I can give some more examples, like we are using mobile phones. We can getting more and more knowledges, and we can search anything, and we are we are searching most of things, and we are seeing everything from them. And I would like that it is technology is very help for us, and it is a boon.
You are saying that technology is advantage, but you know technology is disadvantage, because by the help of technology affect our human life. Just like people mostly used in their precious time, and he waste their precious time, as well as technology affect our surrounding environment. Just like in air pollution and sound pollution, we are increasing our environment, or just like sound pollution in many factory and mills, or vehicles, or heavy machines are creating lots of sound, as well as lots of dangerous gases produced, such as it's damage our humans health.
As you told about that, in the factory lots of sounds were coming, and the vehicles were releasing the so many types of harmful gases. I also want to explain you that our science has developed the battery bikes and the battery scooties.
But lots of people have no battery car or vehicles, but it damage our health.
Yes, I agree with you. But do you know, in this lockdown period, science is helping too much to our students for learning and teaching. In school, multimedia is making our student more interesting, and they are getting more interesting knowledge, and they are reading so much this time also.
But lots of students are doing unimportant activities.
As you told about that, about the online classes, that I also want to say you that from the network the online class are being happened. As well as I also want to say that from the space scientists, they have launched the communication satellites also. From that we can also communicate to anyone.
You told about the online classes.
Yes.
Some children are really honest that yeah, they focus on the classes. But what about the other children? They just minimize the classes. They do other works on the phone, like playing games, watching movies, and they decrease the volume of the class so that they cannot get disturbed. They play games, watch movies, watch YouTubes, do any other works, which is not unnecessary for them right now.
So what is the fault of the science in this?
The main fault is that why did the science made anything? Why haven't the science made this type of apps that yeah, which while using will not let any person go? And yeah, you told about the satellite also. The satellites, the signals that are sent by satellites are making continuously children's health. They are damaging. The radiation that made by the satellites are killing the birds. The birds we see on our childhood when we were just born children, or when we were not born also, that birds and trees were seen. But now time, if you will search them in a sky, or you will search them in a Google, you will just get in a Google, not in the sky. Where they have gone? Just they have dead because of the radiation made by the satellites.
If satellite doesn't exist, then how will you operate the mobile, and how will you communicate other peoples?
See, when we do a phone call or when we use the internet, we don't use a satellite. We use a tower which is made. Okay, that's a very good thing that your science has made. If they have made a tower which would not affect any person, not they affect any clouds, not they affect any birds, not they affect any trees. But science has made a satellite, and whenever you call, the signals are sent to the satellite. The much you call, the much you talk with the other person, the much radiation is spread to the sky with the help of the satellite. But when you use the internet, then the signal are just sent to the tower. The tower send you again back the signal. So no, it's only a one-way path. The signals go to tower, the tower give you back the signals. Then nothing is dangerous. The humans also get nothing. Okay, no radiation is made. But the scientists which have made the satellite, because of the satellite only, you will go in the space also. when the satellite is launched in the space, there are a lot of air pollution is there. The space, not in the earth only, the sky is also, the space also outside our earth is also very polluted just because of the launching of rockets and satellites.
As you told about if we are just launching the satellite, they pollute the lots of air pollution. Yes, I am agree with your points. But you know that if we are just why we are just launching the satellite to know about the another planets. You know that ISRO in 2019 ISRO has launched the Chandrayaan 1 and the Chandrayaan 2. You know that from the Chandrayaan 1 we know that there are the few molecules of the water. From the how we know that? From the science and from the satellite.
Science is cursed because by the help of MIC and lots of people ill day by day, because any types of fruits and vegetable are eating the any people's eating the vegetables day by day ill. Why?
That I also
Okay, I would like to say MIC. What is MIC? You know, MIC by the help of medicine. Now time I think very important is medicine, and MIC always good anything because medicine always come by the help of MIC.
If you have searched the Google, you will find out the two accident of MIC. Priyapat accident of MIC and the Bhopal accident. In Bhopal, when the accident has occurred, then only 16,000 people have been killed just because of the MI dust particles. And in the Priyapat, if you will search in the Google, it was just like a complete city, okay, now in which 10,000 to 12,000 people lived. But now if you will search its population, it's zero. It's just because of that all people have been killed just because of MIC factories. When you know that MIC help us a lot. But the MIC factory in which MIC is made, that is a very, very, very dangerous area. It's not just like a table or a bottle that it will be kept like how you will keep. It's not like that. It's just a balloon just filled with a very high amount of air. It will burst at any time. This accident of Priyapat and Bhopal was also of MIC only. In the factories, in large containers, MIC chemicals and dust particles were kept. When the containers burst, all the dust particles and chemicals get released into the water, and the dust particle got released in the air. When the dust particle touched the human's skin, then the cells of the skin got damaged and cancer occurred in them all. So in Bhopal and the paper, these both accidents have killed totally 20 to 30,000 people.
so bhaiya,
Yes, I agree with you. But that was an accident, not a fault of science. Science doesn't say that you do accident. It was accidentally done by peoples.
I told that MIC is not like water kept in a bottle. It needs more and more area. The science cannot make such a balloon-like container that it will stretch and stretch. Science can deal only with a solid shape. And if you will keep in a solid shape any chemical or air, if you will continuously put, then the solid shape will also burst.
So I want to say you that I want to give one example to you. You have collected lots of colorful marble. Okay, you have just kept in a one jar. Okay, then you are careless about that. Then one day it has been fall down. So it is the science fault or your fault?
Yeah, when the marble falls, it is my fault. But aren't you getting the point? I am saying the MIC stretches every second. The MIC is not like a water. It will stretch. It's just a small particle. It's just like a virus only. It will reproduce its own. A new atom will generate from itself, and it will divide itself or multiply itself, and again it will need more and more area.
Yes, you are saying right, and you are saying that the accidents are going on by the science. To inform you that anywhere get earthquake or storm, and any people get killed or get injured with that. So science or robots, machines are going to help us and to make one more house for that people who lost their own house. So that science is helping that
but
people.
it starts from the science. If science is not made that thing, then it never will happen. Just like MIC, we know that they know that MIC is very dangerous. Then how then they have no method. How can they made in a crowd area? They don't have to make it in a crowd area.
You know that you are saying the MIC chemical is being made, okay, that every factory is another place. I want to explain you that. And you know, among of them there is also one chemical, its name is parasite. You know that if the parasite chemical got inside in the rat, the fear of the rat from the cat, it has been gone. If they because that parasite chemical control the rats.
Yes, and science is making such a things like we can travel and we can go anywhere, anytime at the when we want to go. But you know, at the past there is no vehicles and there is no science had made vehicles now, and it is very easy to go anywhere in any time.
But when technology increasing, increasing, our natural beauty is decreasing day by day. We not saw any eagle, any kind of species which we can see in the previous time. Just because of science, just because of global warming is increasing day by day,
But
just
you
because
know-
of pollution.
Yes, you.
But you know, Ayushi, they are mentality problem and people's problem also. They are not a science problem. And day by day increase pollution and pollution, air pollution.
Just like I am giving an example. If anyone give a chocolate, then you can eat. You will eat. So the main fault is science. If science has not made that, then nobody can use this.
I want to tell you something about medical science and medical technology. There is lots of device and equipments are made who improve the healthcare and improve the healthcare and of the patients. With the help of these devices, without wasting any time, the doctors can reach the patients and who will improve their lives.
I want to tell about on this topic. Science made this equipment. Science made that equipment. You can with that equipment many black organ business is going on day by day with that equipment. Science is also medical science is going that line also.
But medical science is also helping to recover any people who have any fever.
You know that you must have seen in the TVs that your organ transplant is going on continuously. It's a black criminal. It's a crime that are done by most of the people. The people in the greed of the money sell their organs, and the people who need them they don't buy it from hospital or the government. They buy in a black, and the continuously organs transportation in the black market is continuously increasing, which is continuously making the people greedy of the money, because of which the people need to sell their organs.
Yeah, you are telling right. People are it's of people fault, not science. Science has invented more work to people can do anything. But you are telling science. People are getting greedy. It's not science fault. Science is making too much rooms or many works to do. People can do that work. Why are people greedy? It's people fault, not science fault. Science are making too much.
By the help of science that make the equipments. Without equipments we can't transplant the heart or kidney. Without equipments it's not possible.
But without science, impossible, and cancer hard also. Without science, impossible
science,
not.
but in previous time we know that in previous time no any cancer type of diseases happened.
How
And
could
when
you- Yes, I agree with you. But how could you say that previous time cancer is not?
Because that time the science was not so advanced. When the science got advanced, then only this cancer, heart attack, lung attack, kidney attack, kidney failure, then liver failure, this type of illness came into the action just because of the science. When the science showed is real technology.
Yeah, you are telling right, but science have also these medical medicines. The all fevers or viruses, you have said that all kinds have their medicine, and they easily fast to
But
get
the
recover.
main thing is that it started from the science. If science is not making that type of inventions, no any pollution it's happened in our world, then no any cancer happen in our world.
Have you listened the name of the Ayurved?
Yeah, I listen.
That you are saying from the Ayurved in later few year ago, the Ayurved is not part of the medical science. Okay, that I also want to say that from the Ayurved medical science, the lots of people can be recovered, like such as the cancer also, cancer.
In this time, almost every people suffering from diabetes. But it is not fault of science. But science has given you a medicine to improve the diabetes problems. It is not fault of science.
But in my point of view, cancer is caused by science. Like example, if we using refrigerator by the help of refrigerator, the gas which released it's CFC. With the help of CFC cause cancer. So it's including that it's from science.
You know that from the fridge, or you are just saying of the refrigerator, it can keep the food fresh.
But for the food, freshing the food, you can't kill yourself.
Yeah, you are telling right. Science has invented that thing, but science has also invented chimney. Why you are not putting chimney?
Because of chimneys, the air pollution are continuously increasing. The chimneys are used to remove the harmful gases. Except of killing you, why are you using refrigerator and killing the whole world? Just because of the gases that are released by the refrigerator.
And CFC is a very harmful gas. It's affect our global warming also.
But this is a people fault. They are purchasing these things.
But it's all
Science has also invented oven. Why you are
Yes.
not using oven?
Ovens use hot gases. Okay,
Oven is doing hot.
they are doing hot. When you keep the object in it, then some amount of air is also there present in the oven. When you turn on the oven, the air become hot. When you open the oven, the hot air get released into the atmosphere. They go into the atmosphere and try to hit the other air also. If they fail, then some amount of air again come up to heat the water.
Yeah,
This causes the rise in the sea level. This causes the increase of the global warming.
So as you told about the global warming, so I am asking one question to you. If the global warming is going on, so what it will happen?
The continuously rising of the sea water level will increase the tsunami. The amount of tsunami will increase on the earth. The water which was present in the snow first, the global warming is causing the melt. Okay, the frozen ice is becoming a liquid water. Liquid water, if it continuously increases, then the sea water and the ocean water will continuously also increase. This will cause the rising of the sea level water, and it will cover more and more area of the earth. Because of which the more and more land area will also get shrink in the water, and human will have a very small area to live on earth.
So as you told about the tsunami, it can that as well as I also want to say you that from that you have forgot one point about for the bacteria. You know that about from the microscope. In the later time we have listened the name of the COVID-19. Okay, the vaccine has been come from the science only. I also want to say that if any bacteria will come in the world, so from the science the vaccine can be present.
But I think that people are using science to kill each other, because they are using or release lots of various types of virus in air, and they will kill people.
May you tell me which type of viruses?
Just like nowadays coronavirus, then it is bad
and the science has also developed the coronavirus vaccine.
Yes, and science has also gave a mask and precautions. This is the fault of people that they are not using.
But it's what first thing is that it started from science, and the one thing science, with the help of science, bombers are making bomb day by day, increasing day by day. With the help of bomb, many dangerous harmful gas released.
So they shouldn't make.
Yes.
So yeah, bombers they were making. It's their fault. Why they were making? The science has present the material, but the bombers were making.
Yeah, not science is selling the materials. You are thinking that science is going and giving the materials to robbers and any people. No, people's only selling this material to bad people, and bad people are making.
But this technology of making that material started from the science only. If science won't start the technology of making this type of weapons, like nuclear weapons, atomic weapons, guns, grenades, landmines, smoke grenades, etc. There are many weapons. If the science won't have made this, then yeah, no world wars could have started. No person would be killed. No, at this time, countries are too making nuclear
Yeah, you are
weapons.
saying right, but you are thinking that robbers are also made by science. No, robbers are human, and science has made these things to kill robbers and their robbery.
But you all know that about Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Due to nuclear bomb, lots of people lost their life.
But science has invented camera, mic, and media also. The media has gone and catch him, and he has gone to police station and give the all money he has robbed and give back to police and get into jail.
Firstly, lots of people lost their life.
Then all people get to their life back with science.
Then you know Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Nowadays, lots of people diseases, some disease.
Yeah, the nuclear attack which happened on it, they was also made by the science. The nuclear weapons and the technology also came from the science only. If the science won't have made the technology of the nuclear weapon, then these cities would not suffer from what is suffering now. No nuclear attack and atomic attack will happen on it only if the science won't have made these nuclear weapons.
So I also want to say that in the UNO, the United Nations organization, I also want to say that why the UNO has ordered to that India and the China shouldn't fight with the weapons.
Okay, my dear friends, I would like to take a special break because I have two friends from Kur's side, Mr. Abhinash and Miss Saloni. Mr. Abhinash, according to you, why science is cursed?
According to me, science is cursed because by the help of science, we are getting artificial things just like rice, sugar, etc.
Yes, Avinash, but how could you say that science is making artificial things?
The science is making this type of components and substances which are very helpful. Example are plastics. The main problem are the plastic that are made by the science. This is a chemical reaction of two chemicals. When the science did experiment on these two chemicals, they mixed, and a plastic-like substances has been made. And from this plastic, only sugar and rice are currently made in China. If you go in a train and ask for a dinner or morning breakfast, they are much high chances to get plastic rice. In the train also, they are just making plastic rice and they are giving to their customers.
Yeah, you are telling right, but science is making machines to get real rice. But the fake peoples are using science to do bad things. But the science has full security to do that. But some people are losing their solding their something materials to do fake works. It's not a fault of science. It's illegal.
And science make that kind of chemical which very harmful for our health, which is spread on the foods for increasing rapidly.
Yes, you are telling right, but science has also made something liquid to wash foods. That is good for wash and it's kill on viruses or liquid that are present in foods. That is compulsory for before eating foods. But this human fault why they are not using science is solving this in everywhere.
But poor person not able to buy that type of chemical, because it's if they are giving that it's maybe its price was very up.
But farmers can take the natural fertility. Then I also want to say about the farmer. Science has developed. Have you listened the name of the hay? The farmers were burning the hay in approximately in 1 year. Do you know? From our scientists has made the soil from the hay. That can help to make the soil fertility.
But what you said that before this farmers burned the hay. The science, I don't know that really science is made or not. But burning the hay, which is a crop, produce more and more pollution. And if you make the soil from that hay, it is some fertility. It owns some fertility. But after 1 to 2 times the crop is made, it will lose its fertility. It's nothing is permanent. It will lose its fertility, and we will need to add some fertilizer on it. And adding fertilizer will make the plants harmful.
No, that you are saying that about we are just adding the fertilizer. That you are saying right, but you know that from here there, if you are saying that we are just burning, it make the too much air pollution. It make the too much air pollution. You know that from that hay the soil has been developed.
We also know that farmers also used chemicals, and firstly chemical prepared in factory, and factory and mills are creating a lot of waste chemical, and those waste chemicals are enter in river. That's why many pollution are increasing water.
If you are saying about that science is polluting the water and water also, if the science is also cleaning the water and waters.
Such machines are known. Example of such machines are water cleaner or air cleaner. If air pollution, have the air cleaner. All person can take this machine in their houses and in their colonies.
Have you listened the Titanic ship? That it has been found on in the Pacific Ocean. How we know that where it has been fallen between in the other side of the ocean? From the science we are able to know about that.
First of all, Titanic ship was not sunk in the Pacific Ocean. It sunk in the Atlantic Ocean.
Sorry for this.
Sorry, not Atlantic. Arctic Ocean is sunk. And you talked about the ship. If the science has made the ships only. From the ships also large amount of pollution is there. So air pollution is made because of the science and its creation, that is ship.
You know that the scientist. You know, if I will ask one question from you, that if we will use the battery, the cell battery of all over the world, we will use the battery. If that cell battery will give the 10 minute light, then for all over the world, and we can also use that battery in the ships.
Yeah, just an example of torch is also using battery. It is using any harmful gas, and it's
okay. The torch does not make any harmful effect. Okay, but what is the battery? But why aren't scientists are making electric cars, electric bike, electric vehicles? And if the scientists will let me clear first. If they make also, then what about the factories? Which are continuously doing large amount of pollutions. The factory can never be operated on batteries, because burning produce harmful effects, and factories does burn some things to make another product.
Yeah, you are getting to factory, but for your information, I will tell you something. Why people in village, why people are firing to wood in coal? That is also reducing harmful gas. Why people are doing like that? Science is doing, you have seen, but people are doing what about that?
the peoples when they use coal or wood, they produce a small amount of
Not
fire.
small, it's a black and harmful.
Let me tell first. A small amount of fire is generated. Okay. Yeah, a black smoke is released from them because I already said yeah, burning produce harmful gases. But when you make a fire, then it's a very small fire. Okay, and if you see in a factory they will produce small fire, but they will use so many types of components that yeah, they will increase the amount of smoke that is generated.
Yeah,
In 1 second only, complete chimney get filled with the smoke of the fire.
Yeah, you are telling right, but the factories contain too much things to do make something. But people are using few things. That's why it take only few harmful gas. But factory is getting too much things to make, not a small piece of paper to burn it. It taking too much things to make. That's that much gas are releasing in. But humans are only firing to the wood or coal. It's are using small, but that's it.
Factory made something for us, not for me only.
Yes, and factories are giving so much employment to peoples.
Not now, but not now. Machine take take the place of people, and unemployment increasing day by day.
But machine are not can do all things that people are doing. So some people are also getting in
Some
factories.
people, but previous time many people
But-
are do job in a company, but now they throw out the company.
But-
They are unemployed
But
now.
people are not making too much nice things. A machine are doing more faster, more nice. But you can't even do like these. They take years of that. But machine can do in 1 minute of the year thing.
And peoples are operating machines.
Yeah.
Okay, past time lots of people are also doing work, but now time only one person is doing work. Due
One
to that,
person?
yeah, due to that reason, lots of people is now time unemployed.
Yeah.
So
in
it's
the-
so according to my view, science is curse.
Yeah, and he told correct. In the past time, many people did the work, but if you see now, like in the JCP or in the hotels only, the robots are doing the work. Okay, only one person do the work, and that is operating the robots. He just scan at the night or in the morning before opening this shop or factory. He just scan the robots and just send them to work. Only one person can get the work, and that is the owner. What about the others who were first, who did work at the factory?
Yeah, you are telling right. But how people can do that things that machine are doing in 1 second, and people are taking 1 year time. It's not nice to take this much time. All people want things at time. But if machine will, if a person will do that, many person will do that. It will take too much time, and nobody people get their things at time. That's a machine are getting on. You have said that people are getting unemployed. So that I am telling that not only factories people can work. There are too much office. Not office are going robot. Tell me. Yeah, that one.
Offices are not done by the robot. Offices work is not, but AI is doing. If you know that yeah, what is AI? Those who don't know, first of all, let me tell to everyone. AI is artificial intelligence. It's a robot. It's just with the human thinking. And you told that yeah, offices work. Robots are not doing, but AI are doing. Yeah, it's just like artificial human. If you will see now that yeah, what is capacity? It's just like our age students' brain. Okay, now in just 10 to 12 years, the AI will have an intelligence of capacity of just like an old man. Okay, now just like our sir, and just like our parents, the intelligence which they are having, for which we need to grow and to learn things, the AI will learn them at that moment only when they are created. The AI is using distracting the humans.
Okay, that you were saying artificial intelligence is bad. So I want to explain you that. Have you listened the name of the Miko 2 robot?
No.
No, that robot can help to the children for the learning.
listen. Most of the scientists, I mean, they are not just doing experiments of AI. They made a robot named Sophia and added them the intelligence of the old persons to see that when the AI will is the old person intelligence, that what they will do to humans. They asked very basic question that what will the robot do? First of all, Sophia said that we will work at every field that where humans were working. So she's told that where humans were working, that means, and when the after 10 to 12 years, then the humans will not work. Only AI will just do the work. And she also said this that what the question was first asked that what AI will do to humans. She said that now just we are keeping the animals in the zoo. In the future also the robots will keep humans in the zoo. They will just they will just do what we are doing to animals now. They will hunt. They will also hunt us. We are killing them. They will also kill them. We are eating them. They will kill and throw us. They will burn us. These things are told by the Sophia only.
Yeah.
She is also an AI robot also.
Yeah, you are telling right. I will explain you that humans are combined into two pieces: bad humans and good humans. Bad humans are thinking to all humans that I will kill him and that will be lost. But the good person are thinking for the person nice. Like this only, robots are also combined in two pieces. And you have said that about the bad robot is such a Sophia, Sophia, sorry. But after getting that, all mechanics are going to get off the robot, get off that robot, so he will not do like that. And all mechanical engineers are get successful that, and they are making another robot, and that robots are getting nice. It's human fault, they have done some mistakes, so Sophia get a bad robot, and he want to get yes, you want to.
If you will force a human and ask what they will do or what their gang will do now, the human will tell, obviously, right? In the jail, police also do the same. Just like the scientists too did the same with the Sophia. And they asked on one of the most popular question which got popular by the internet with the help of internet, that what are AI doing right now in this age? What are AI doing? Then she answered that now they are stealing the human personality and uses. What we are doing that are stolen by the AI. AI is just recording them that what we are doing, what we want, and then they will use us to control us. They will after that, when we will get in full control, they will kill us also. So my dear friends, now you have seen that our debate between the is science boon or curse. So after doing the debate, we have finally come to a conclusion that is science boon or curse depends on which humans uses it. For example, if a nice human uses it, like a scientist, it's a boon for us. Like the technology uses like the devices made by the technology, like examples that I have given already. If the bad human uses, then the nuclear weapons they can make because of the technology of the science. They can invent very much things. They do experiment of that things also in which the scientists don't even know. So guys, finally we have reached the conclusion. Thank you. So friends, if you like our video, please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and please at least share to your 10 friends so they could also know that why science is boon and why it is also curse.